Alright, well, this is my first video with the Insta 360 camera, and it's in this cool, like, art mode. Really crazy art mode. I'm just sitting here at my desk doing work, and I just thought I'd shoot a little recording real quick with the new Insta 360 camera. And I'm going to get this uploaded and see what it looks like. And you guys let me know what it looks like too. This is crazy awesome. Alright. Don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm kind of super excited about it. Josh, Better Homes Garden Real Estate Paramount. You guys think about selling or buying some property? Give me a call, 405-315-7965. Have a great day.